As we said before, this is not an academic course, so we are not interested in studying everything in performance, but only the bugs we will report as part of our exploratory testing. Let's proceed to the definition of performance testing. Okay, performance testing is a practice performed to determine how a system performs in terms of responsiveness and setability under a particular workload. We will clarify later the meaning of responsiveness and setability by examples. Another important definition that we have to know is that performance testing is an engineering exercise targeting to measure the application responsiveness while having it under particular workload or under high volume of usage, so that you can provide feedback to the project team and guide them towards building faster and more scalable application. A common example that you can easily relate to would be your Facebook homepage. When you log into Facebook, if you are an individual that has a lot of friends, obviously your main page is going to have a lot of content and wall posts that has to update itself regularly, all of which will impact the responsiveness of the application and how fast the pages come up. The more content, the more work the application is going to do. An example for responsiveness: when you press on a button on an app or an item from a website menu and it takes infinite time to load, and when the website becomes laggy. Examples of setability: how the system behaves under a certain workload. For example, when you try to play a game and you create more than one character, how many characters will preserve the setability of the game, and when will the game become unstable and start freezing or crashing. Let's see a live example here. We have here an iPad Air 2 and this feature inside an application called a story maker. Now we are going to make a story to play. The title here of the issue is "Proceeding to the stage to be played takes you to a white screen that lasts for 3 minutes before the stage starts."